Evening to everyone. Good evening to everyone. Uh, it's been a while since I came online to give you updates. It's uh, it's unfortunate regarding regarding Dad. We're all saddened. We, as a family, are grieving. This is a very impromptu live session that I'm trying to post. I don't know if this is the right place to put this up, but it is required that I do talk about something. It is unfortunate that there are rumors going around about MGM Hospital and the payments regarding my dad's care and the bills and all that technical stuff. I just want to put one few things together. We were in the hospital from 5th of August. Appa passed away on the 24th, Friday, this last Friday. So, and there are rumors about the amount of bill that was charged and that we had paid something and then there was a balance and that we had requested the Tamil Nadu government, but they did not reciprocate. And then I had gone to the Vice President of India and they had reciprocated instantaneously. And also that unless we had paid the balance amount, the hospital were not releasing my dad for the last rituals. Let me just say one thing. This is all a big hogwash. I don't know why people do this without even consulting people. They don't seem to realize how offensive and hurting it is to the people who are associated with this issue. It is very disheartening that we still have people around like this. These cannot be fans of SPP because SPP will not do something like this. He is not somebody who hurts people. He is somebody who would forgive this person who has been spreading these rumors. I would like to say that I forgive this gentleman, but he needs to grow up, get some sense into this person and do the right thing. He has no base in spreading such rumors. He has no knowledge about what the treatment was or how much the bills were and who had paid how much, anything. I'm not going to give any details right now because me and the hospital are planning to give a press release together, or maybe we're going to get the press together and do a release to muff all these rumors that are going on. It is sad that we have to do this. It is so sad that one person's action makes 15, 20 people, the inconvenience it caused, getting the press together, number of people that need to come, assemble, a place, the hospitals, the heartache with all that has been going on so far in our family, in MGM, and everything. And it is so simple to just post something online and, mess things up for people. These persons or who are spreading all these rumors are... God bless you all. Seriously, that's all I can say. I should end this live session saying that we as a family are completely grateful, wholeheartedly are grateful for everything that the MGM Healthcare Chennai has done for us, for my father as a patient, and for us as a family who were attending and taking care of my father. It has been like going home every day. I truly miss going to the hospital, meeting all those doctors who have been taking care of my father. I miss each and every nurse, all the doctors, the MD, Dr. Prashant, the chairman, Mr. Rajagopalan, who has been sending me prayers every morning, relentlessly, without failure. And regarding the details of all these bills and all of that, they will come out soon. They truly will come out soon. And I will make sure that all these details will come out soon. Until then, please don't spread these rumors. Please grow up. You don't seem to understand the amount of people you're causing hurt to. It's not right. Please take care. God bless you all. And we owe a lot as a family to MGM Healthcare. They're one of the best medical centers in Chennai. And I should also iterate that when MGM had called Apollo Hospitals for help regarding an equipment, Apollo Hospitals was very kind enough to pass on that equipment immediately to MGM for the treatment for my dad. So they're all great people. You people who spread these rumors could be great. Try to emulate the greatness. Thank you.